it's time to make breakfast. I think we have some of this pita bread left over. I think I'm gonna make some egg and cheese pita pockets. So we have some bacon down there. I think we have bacon out of the freezer too. Jonah's already up and ready. He's ready before me this morning. They're excited because the last day of school is tomorrow. Ready to get it done, huh? Yep. So we're gonna cook the eggs right here. Before we scramble all of them, I'm gonna scramble a chicken egg one here and a turkey egg one right beside it so y'all can see the difference in how they look. Hey, you wanna go out to the garden and get some cilantro? Cilantro is really good with scrambled eggs. I used to make Titus, I'm pretty sure it was last summer, he loved just scrambled eggs with cheese, red pepper flakes, and cilantro, and some of those little grape tomatoes. So we've got the chicken egg. We'll put it over here. I'm gonna do a lot more than just two, of course, but I just want to show y'all the, how the turkey egg and the chicken egg look different. Now the turkey egg. You can see the difference. I already busted that yolk, but this turkey egg yolk is a lot bigger. The yolk in the turkey egg is a lot thicker too. Okay, now we'll scramble them so I can keep them separated from each other. So here's the turkey egg. You see how it doesn't really want to hold together too good, which I mean, it's not a big deal, but here's the chicken one. Just softer and kind of sticks together when you scramble it. The turkey one, I don't know if crumbles is the right word, but it doesn't really stay together as well as a chicken egg, but it tastes the same. Bacon? Yeah. Put some cheese in there. And some bacon. A little bit of cilantro. And Jonah wants some hot sauce on his. And there you go.
Sometimes your wife's been cooking for days. She may be lost for ideas, and you may just have this little thought pop in your mind that says chicken strip sandwiches. Now if that strikes you and you're like, but I don't know how to make them, hang on tight. What we're gonna start out with today, everybody, is some Tyson chicken. Now, when I was up there a while ago at the grocery store, I looked around up there, and the guy finally told me from, I don't know if he was from the meat department or where he was from, but he was from some department, and he told me that this is gonna be the best bang for your buck. He said, get this right here, slice it up the way you wanna slice it, and then chunk it into some of this stuff right here. He said, and then you'll have you a good chicken strip. And I said, okay.
Is this your favorite way?
So let's get our knife today. It's a brand new one. I had a guy make me this one right here, one of my customers. He made me this knife, getting to what I was saying a while ago, he made me this knife actually for hunting or camping, whatever the case may be. It's a really nice knife. And it's clean. I mean, it's very, very clean now. This knife was made out of one of the rasps that I use. She is sharp. I mean, look at that. I mean, you just barely push on that thing and it'll cut something now. I'm gonna cut it up about like that right there. That way it'll still be easy to cook. Our next move is gonna be putting these in a marinade, and you wanna do this probably for at least several hours. Shake it up a little bit. All right.
time to make some slaw. We're having Texas toast chicken strip sandwiches tonight, and I really want to put some slaw on mine. Some people will probably just have slaw on the side. I'm gonna put some minced onions in here, salt and pepper,
Yeah.
and we're gonna put just a little bit of sugar. About a tablespoon, Cece. Yep, that's good right there. That's done. We'll put it in the refrigerator and we're ready to make some chicken strips. Peanut oil.
Y'all missing this right here. They over here right now doing this deal.
Did you already show them the seasoning that you're using?
Yeah, I did.
We put it in this bag. So we're just gonna put the chicken strips in here and shake, but not bake. Shake and fry.
Shake and fry.
We have Ingles Texas toast. It's hard to find it at Walmart sometimes. They don't always have, our Walmart anyway, they don't always have it. But if they do, it's up on the very top shelf.
These are gonna
That
be
was
really
funny.
good, everybody. I got
On
a
the
feeling
very
these-
top shelf. Ooh, we got a lot of chicken over here.
We got a lot of chicken.
It should take around 7 minutes for each batch of chicken.
That's what I feel like it's gonna take, 7 minutes.
Right.
Do everything in 7s, folks.
7 seconds.
Do not do 6s.
No. Oh yeah. I'm gonna toast this on the Blackstone. That's what I was saying about this Texas
Oh,
toast.
you're gonna toast it on the Blackstone?
Yeah.
I was actually gonna grill them on the green egg.
Really?
Yeah, I was gonna put the diamonds. And I can actually put a little smoke to that bread.
Why am I holding this bread like it's a baby?
You wanna put the diamonds? That's fine. That's fine. Here. Burp it. I need the grill anyway, because I'm gonna do like a pineapple.
Oh, he's doing a grilled pineapple
Grilled
chicken strip sandwich.
pineapple
Yeah.
chicken
With
strip
barbecue sauce?
sandwich with barbecue sauce on Texas toast with a little slice of lemon cake on the side because somebody told us that was good, and I actually got some over at Ingles. And let me tell you, whoever said that was good was absolutely correct.
You know how to taste stuff.
You know how to taste stuff. That is really good.
Yeah.
I mean, it kind of tastes like a lemon meringue
Pie
cake,
in cake.
pie. It was
form.
great.
The
We just
filling
took
is
one
like a
bite
little-
because we're going to eat the whole thing after a while.
Look at this. You can see where we did a taste test,
We
but
just
look
did
at
it.
that.
That thing is good, everybody.
It's amazing.
It's hard to say, do you like the strawberry or that? Both of them is so good.
It depends on your mood. If you're in a sweeter mood, go strawberry. If you're in a like a citrusy little hint of sour,
Just a little
sweet,
bit of a bite to it, that's good.
That's yeah.
Yeah. Leave a little bit of air in it, everybody. You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
just shake it around. That's what you want to do.
What you doing?
I'm stirring up the cake mix. Is
Oh,
a cake mix?
pancake. You're getting it stirred up, ready for tomorrow. First batch coming out. John wants to shake the next batch.
Here,
dude.
go, come on over here and shake it, baby. Folks, I would not steer you wrong. You don't even really need no sauce for that bad boy. That is good. Ain't it?
Yeah.
Listen to them birds singing about summer. I love to hear birds out there singing. Don't take just a second right here, folks. If you don't have just enough bread, be very careful. Take it from one that has destroyed bread many, many times. Juicy, just the right amount of seasoning. You nailed it.
recipe.
You found one? Let's see what you got. Which one? That one? Favorite
And that one for
Italian-
you.
Okay. Favorite Italian beef sandwiches and sweet and spicy sloppy joes?
Yeah.
Those sound good. Okay, we got the kitchen cleaned up. We finished with supper a little early today. We thought about going on a hike.
Recipe.
Yeah, he's been finding recipes. Titus got some leather for his knife that he got the other day from the Blue Ridge Knife Shop. I think that's what it was called. Anyway, he got some leather to make a sheath for it, so he's been working on that. I think it's getting a little too late to go on a hike now. It would get dark on us. It's not too late, however, to go to Honey on the Hill or the Mason Jar Coffee and Gelato Shop. One day, Danny went to the museum. He wanted to see what was inside. He saw Indians, he saw bears, he saw Eskimos,
And gun,
he saw guns,
gun, sword.
he saw swords, and he saw dinosaurs.